Investment is quite important for us to, to support the decarbonization of the society.
Their success is going to be our success. We were a foundation investor in MCI and we're very pleased with the progress that they've made, and we're delighted that they're now integrated at one of our sites.
We are so happy to have this cooperation with MCI Carbon. We're really looking forward to the plant we are planning with them together in Austria, which should capture 50,000 tons of CO2.
That means we need to make every post a minimum. It means we need to reduce emissions at source. We need to reduce emissions in production, and that's what these bricks do, a low carbon brick, which will be important. We need to reduce embedded carbon in our buildings and that work. And we need, where we can't do that, for whatever reason, we need to find ways of storing that carbon in ways that aren't in our atmosphere.
MCI's breakthrough is not just technology, it's a business model and an approach to where we can make money in dealing with climate change. And that is the breakthrough. Rather than just everyone being laboured with costs on the transition, we need to also understand how we can transition profitably and to the betterment of Australia and to our customers around the world. RHI Magnesita, as our significant investor and customer, has come to us. Their CEO I met in Pittsburgh when I was there with Minister Bowen. We got together and said, why don't we build the first big plant in Austria? And that is the next stage after this. So we'll build this, we'll run our first campaign with our best customer, our first customer, RHI Magnesita, who are the biggest refractory producer in the world. And we'll be building a plant, industrial scale plant, one that will decarbonise their industry and also make money. The purpose of this plant is not to be the full scale, it's to test all the engineering data that we need to go and build our plants, the full scale plants. The foundations of MCI came when my co-founder, John Beaver and myself asked the question, what could we do with CO2? What would a solution look like? How can we store away CO2 safely, permanently and profitably? When's the best time to plant a tree? And it's 20 years ago. The next best time is now.